Algebraic expression. First question, if a minus b equals to 4 and ab equals to 60, what is the value of a plus b? Welcome to Homeopath. This video we are going to solve these three math which is very important for examination. Let's start. Here given a minus b equals to 4 and ab equals to 60, and we have to find out the value of a plus b. Actually a plus b has no rule, but in identity we know a plus b whole square equals to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. How? Look, a minus b whole square, we know a square minus 2ab plus b square, and here is plus 4ab. So a square minus 2ab and plus 4ab, it will become plus 2ab plus b square. So this one we can write a plus b whole square. Therefore a plus b whole square equals to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Now we just put the value. Look, a minus b means 4, so 4 square plus 4 ab means 60, right? Now here is 16 plus 2 40, so here is 256. A plus b whole square equals to 256, but we need the value of a plus b. So once we square root both sides, we can write here a plus b, and here is 256 root over 256. We can write square root both side. So 256, once we square root 256, we will get plus minus 16, and this is our answer. Okay, so first question answer done, which is plus minus 16. Now number 2. If a plus b equals to 9m and ab equals to 18m square, what is the value of a minus b? So we can write here, given a plus b equals to 9m and then ab equals to 18m square. Okay, so we know we need the value of a minus b, so we can write like this: a minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. How? Look, a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And here is minus 4ab. So plus 2ab and minus 4ab will get, here is a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. We can write a plus b mean 9m and square. 4 times ab means 18m square. Now here is 9 times 9, it means 81. 9 square means 81, and here is m square minus 4 times 18. 4 times 18, it's a 72 and m square. So once we subtract from 81, we will get 9 and m square. So this is a minus b whole square equals to 9m square. Our target to find out the result of a minus b. So a minus b equals to root over 9m square, square root both side, right? So square root 9, it means 3, and m square, once we square root it will become m, and we should write here plus and minus. So this is our answer. So similar math number 1 and number 2, but different theory. Here we are following a plus b whole square equals to a minus b whole square plus 4ab, and here we are following a minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay, now our last math number 3 we are starting. Number 3, number 1 and 2 done. Number 3, if x minus 1 by x equals to 4, prove that x to the power 4 minus x to the power minus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 322. So here first given x minus 1 by x equals to 4, right? And now look, here one mistake, that one is, here is plus sign. Okay, now look, given x minus 1 by x equals to 4, so square both side, x minus 1 by x whole square, and here is 4 square. We can write here square both side. Okay, now as per a minus b whole square theory, a square minus 2ab plus b square, we can implement here. So x square minus 2 times x times 1 by x plus 1 by x square equals to 16, right? Now look, this x and x out, so here is x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square equals to 16, and here is x square plus 1 by x square equals to this 16 minus 2 become plus 2, so here is 18, right? Again we need x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, right? So again we will square both sides. So x square plus 1 by x square whole square equals to 18 square. Again we will write square both sides, and here is x square whole square plus 2 times x square times 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole square equals to 18 square, it means 324. We can use calculator. Now look, here is x to the power 4 plus this x square out, so here is 2 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 324. Now look, here is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 324. This plus 2 become minus 2, so here is 322, right? Now look, the question is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 322, and we already get this one 322, and left side is 6 to the power x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So we can write left hand side equals to right hand side, and here is proof that we can write proven. Okay, so this is our math. We already complete 3 math, and this is the first part of this chapter, which is algebraic expression, and we will do lots of math, these kinds of maths, different type of math, and also we will use lots of identity of algebra. Thank you very much being with me. Stay tuned with me. If you have any question, just write a line in the comments box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.